What's the meaning of atomic weight? Atomic weight. Atomic weight.
Atomic weight. Atomic weight. Atomic weight is the average mass of an atom of a chemical element, taking into account the relative abundances of all its isotopes. Isotopes are atoms of the same element that differ in the number of neutrons, and therefore have different atomic masses. The atomic weight is expressed in atomic mass units, AMU, and is measured using mass spectrometry. A high-precision atomic weight is important for accurate calculations in chemistry, particularly in stoichiometry in chemical reactions. The periodic table lists atomic weights for all elements, usually rounded to 1 or 2 decimal places.